Everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Connie. Tonight I'm going to be sharing with you a video on putting this gumball machine together from Treasure Box Designs. It's February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. You'll probably see this late, but anyway. This is the freebie that was up. I don't know how long it'll be there, but thought I'd show you what I did or what I'm going to do with it here. And I cut it at about 3.5 inches tall. So this piece, which is going to go here, first of all, in Design Space, I duplicated this piece, and then I just sliced it off just about where just the glass would go. And then I have um, some digital paper with candy, and I took the hearts because of Valentine's Day. I'm going to make one with kind of like M&Ms, or would look like gumballs anyway. But I made the image when I brought it in. I did it at 1-inch squares, and then I just kept adding to it so I could get this real tiny fit. Otherwise, it was way too large. So anyway, I'm putting that on first. I wanted to share with you what I did for that. I do mine in Microsoft Word. I use that for my digital paper, and then I just grouped it and printed it. You don't have to group it, but anyway. So I'm going to put this on. This is just a real simple piece. When I get to one piece, I'll share with you what I did. I really think I need some fresh air. I've been cooped up too long. It's just too cold, though, to go out. But I was trying to find a piece and I couldn't. And I even went in and I resized and was ready to, I was ready to make it. Just create the piece I needed myself. And then I started looking at that. Oh my gosh, there it is. How stupid of me. I haven't paper pieced for a while, and this is just, like I said, a quick piece, but I'm trying to do more videos. So I thought, well, I'll give you my rendition here. I hope everybody's having a good day and is healthy. Okay. That out of the way. Leave those little pieces till last. I've started a very intense project. I didn't think it would be that big. All I'm going to tell you is it's a mini album of sorts. Leave it at that. And I didn't think it would be quite as intensive as it is, but I'm hoping it turns out the way I want so I can share it, and just trying to find some new things to do. I've tried junk journaling. It's just not for me. I just don't understand the whole concept of, yeah, I'll leave it at that. This is the piece that I could not find, and it is darker. You'll see when I put it on. And I even went and created again. And I don't know why it was right there, but it just didn't make sense to me. I guess I thought the little part where the candy will come out should have been bigger. I just don't know, but I feel so stupid. So, it's there. You just gotta be smarter than the project, I guess. Stop and think. Okay, now I'll put this piece on and then try to get it straight, right? And then this little tiny piece. I think this came in the original size at around 5.5, 5 3/4 inches. And that was just way too big for me. I just thought it'd be fun for a little Valentine embellishment. Okay, so we could leave it at that. Let's see, excuse my reach. Put a little bit of highlighting on it. I just had my little tiny brush out and I was talking on the phone with my mother and now I can't find it back. It's crazy. I gotta do everything I want before I do my last step. And I'm thinking you probably can tell what the last step is gonna be, but okay. It's gonna be, oh, I wanna close my glue. Before I do this, it'll take a minute or two. I'm going to put glossy accents over the gumball part of it. I'm going to do about 3 layers, so it would hopefully get quite layered. Excuse me, I should have checked this before I came on film. Anyway, what my intentions are is I was going to put some vellum on it where for the glass part to make it look like glass. And unfortunately, I thought, now how am I going to keep it on there without it, without the glue showing? So this is my other alternative, and got a lot of shadow here. Try to take glasses off and see once. Oh, I don't have good luck with glossy accents. I don't know what I do, but see if they'll come out now. I might be going to a different option here. I'm learning not to get, this is the last large bottle of glossy accents I will purchase, just because I do have so many problems with the bigger bottles for some reason. So I'm going to start buying the little bottles. I'm sorry, I have to hold this up a bit so I can see what I'm doing along this start. It is coming out now. I'm going to go along the top. I'm sorry, this is so close to the camera lens. Put it down in a moment. Yeah, now I can fill in. It's hard for me to tell if it's, getting all over. I just will pick it up in a moment and fill in where I need. Maybe. Could have been places I missed. Trying to get as even of a layer as I can the first time so it's smooth going forward on the next layers. A little bubble in here. Maybe she'll miss some here, and that will, and then some here. It's harder to see on this paper than I expected. And it's good if you do choose to do this, that you put a layer, like I put I have the white layer, underneath and back. And I think it's a good thing because you're going to need it for the, I want to say, the glossy accents. So it's going to be cloudy. Obviously, if you've worked with glossy accents, you're well aware of that. And then it will dry clear. Once it's good and dry after a few hours or maybe in the morning, I will put more layers on as they dry, as I'm able to when they dry. But that I thought I would share with you what I was doing. Just again, a quick little project, give you an idea. And I'm going to work on the freebie from Kadoodlebug Designs, the Love Bug. I forget, XOXO Love Bug, I'm not sure. But anyway, if you have any questions, please leave comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me. Take care.